Award-winning web hosting provider Storm Internet offers shared web hosting that includes a free domain, SSL certificate, CDN, and 24/7 customer support. It uses data centers in the UK. This provider offers web hosting for Linux and Windows, managed cloud hosting, managed server hosting, SSL certificates, VPN, voice over IP, and more. It doesn't have its own data center, but it operates primarily out of a Tier 4 data center in the UK. Storm Internet is based in Oxfordshire, England, and its website is in English. In addition to its popular managed cloud and server hosting, Storm Internet offers 2 Linux web hosting packages and 2 Windows web hosting packages. The entry-level Linux Plus plan includes 2.5 GB of web space, 5 MySQL databases, 5 FTP accounts, 1 GB of email space, and hosting for 5 domains. Each hosting plan includes unlimited bandwidth, a free UK domain, and the following: 99.99% uptime rating, 24/7 customer support, 30-day money-back guarantee, shared SSL, cPanel or Plask control panel. Storm Internet includes a free Cloudflare Essentials plan with web hosting to provide security and page load speeds. You can also pay extra for Cloudflare Standard or Unlimited. Storm Internet does not have its own data center, so it supposedly remains a free agent in choosing the best server locations for its customers in ISO-certified data centers. This provider has a 99.99% uptime rating and a 30-minute service level agreement for hardware replacement. Storm Internet's web hosting prices are affordable and competitive with industry-leading providers worldwide, especially with above-average server uptime, including domain, CDN, and other features. Plans start at about the cost of a fast food meal a month, and customers can pay even less by purchasing a 2-year project at a 30% discount. The 30-day money-back guarantee should make you feel better about signing up for such a long term. Round-the-clock customer service is available by phone, chat, email, and personal account.